As a human being, you know that the deep Asian squat is your birthright. So you drop down into a squat and find no problem, but then you discover a problem you really didn't expect. And if you don't solve this puzzle, you're going to be stuck figuratively and literally. Being able to sit down in a deep Asian squat doesn't mean you're going to be able to leave that position comfortably, and that can lead to some aches and pains and clicks and cracks in your knees, your hips, your ankles, and even your back. What you're missing is strength in this position and all the positions that get you back up. And most adults never train this. So let's fix this problem right now. Now you might very logically be thinking, if I have the strength to get down here, why don't I have the strength to get back up? That's like saying, hey, I can lie down on the floor, so why can't I do a push-up? When you're going down into a deep squat, gravity is pulling your bones down, your muscles are acting as brakes to this downward motion. But when it's time to go back up, your muscles provide all of the force necessary to lift your body up. If you want to build your ability to stand up from a deep squat, you have to start from the bottom up and build strength through the full range of motion. And if you haven't been training this in 20 or 30 years, it's not going to feel easy. It's going to be stiff and creaky, and you might start to think things like, maybe my body's not made for this. But don't listen to that voice. Remember to ATM, always think muscles, because muscles are what move your body. Now let's go build some muscles. And a quick reminder that when starting any new exercise, please remember that slow is safe and fast is foolish. If you don't know what that means, I will explain it after I show you the exercise. Stand in front of something nice and sturdy and then squat down to your bottom position. Then, using assistance, you're going to rise up just a few inches and then back down. Do this 3 to 5 times in a nice comfortable range of motion. Then raise yourself up a little bit higher and then go up a few inches and back down to your starting point. You're working the middle of the range 3 to 5 times. Then you're going to raise up to the last third of the range of motion, and you're going to find this is much easier. You're just going to go 3 to 5 repetitions. I recommend you kind of lean forward a little bit to make this a little bit harder, but you can also do this with no help if you feel like that works your legs enough. But I find being a little bit lean forward helps strengthen those thigh muscles a little bit more. If it feels good for your body, do it twice a day, every day. But if that feels like too much, then do it only as much as your body can tolerate. If you haven't done anything to strengthen your legs in the last couple decades, you might need to take it easy. And that's where slow is safe and fast is foolish comes in. Because when you and I see somebody do something new on the internet and it seems really easy and smooth and graceful, we start to think, oh, I can do that full range at full speed really easy, no problem. But when you're introducing a new movement or a new exercise to your body, you should really go slower and you should use a reduced range of motion, and you should pay really close attention to the signals your body is giving you. You don't want to blow through warning signs and hurt yourself more or cripple yourself with soreness. So take it easy. Maybe just do it once today, maybe wait a couple days and then do it again. You want to feel fatigue, you want to feel the right muscles working, but you don't want to do this so much that when you're done, you can't even walk anymore. But of course, to make progress, you also have to be a little bit ambitious. So if it motivates you, set an arbitrary number, say like 20 or 30 repetitions to do in each range over time, not today, just over time as you get stronger. And celebrate the gradual progress you make, because eventually you're going to hit that number, and eventually you're not even going to need to use your hands to do it. And if arbitrary numbers don't motivate you, then just pay attention to sensation and feel how much stronger your body is getting the more you practice this simple motion. The goal really isn't about hitting numbers. It's about improvement. You are an adult, and literally nobody cares about how many repetitions you can do. Not me, not your best friend, not your spouse, not even your mom. This is about the relationship you have with your body. You're building strength in your body, and that builds trust in your body. That builds your body's trust in you. And now you're a team, and teams go places. This year, I'm planning on starting an exclusive online community where you can find connection and camaraderie with others who are going on the same body rebuilding journey. And you can get support from me through monthly Q&As that are based on your questions and my answers. If you're interested in joining this Feel Right forum and becoming a Feel Right friend, check out the link that you'll find down below. I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of magic we can create together in a community. So when you first start, use as much assistance as you feel you need. Over time, use your hands less and less so that you build the strength to lift your body up from the floor without any assistance, nice and smoothly and easily. And if you want to spice things up, you can also try different things with your upper and lower body. You might want to be leaning forward more as you do your squat practice. You might want to be leaning further back as you do your squat practice. You might want to have your feet wider apart or narrower. Pick something to play with to keep it interesting and to help you build strength that's going to carry over to all kinds of different activities. Remember that it's not about right and wrong. It's about making more positions feel right and strong. And here's the bigger takeaway. If you find a position that feels sketchy to your body, it's usually not because some body part has gone bad or was bad since you were born. It's usually because your body is just not trained to be used to that position. That same pattern holds true whether you're talking about foot pain or knee pain or hip pain or head and neck pain, or whether you just have trouble getting down to the floor. And if you want to learn how to get down to the floor safely, be sure to watch this video next. If you're struggling just to get down in a deep squat, watch this video, and be sure to check out my home training programs that you'll find linked down below that help you rebuild your body at home. That's it from me. I hope you always remember that pain sucks, life shouldn't.